SEO hacks you didn't know and anyone can implement. Strategy 1. Collaborate with another company in your relevant industry and ask them if you could write a blog post for their website. Ensure your blog post on their website has a backlink to your website. Strategy 2. Collaborate with 3 fellow companies in your relevant industry and come up with an innovative backlink exchange strategy. How this works. Company B provides a backlink for Company A. Then Company C provides a backlink for Company B. And then Company A provides a backlink for Company C. This process avoids a reciprocal link concern with Google. Strategy 3. Turn your backlink on your friend's website into a ripple effect as it can go viral. You can do this by backlinking the backlink. Strategy 4. Create content that media wants to amplify. It's not as difficult as it seems. Click on the link below to learn more about these specific SEO hacks.